This is Neera Serene at Home Karma, Master in Intuitive Sciences, Tarot Practitioner, and a Spiritual Transformation Coach. Today I'm going to be talking about something like taking tarot as a profession. A lot of people come to me asking whether they can be good tarot readers or not, or is there any eligibility? Believe me, there is no eligibility for anyone, and nobody can give any eligibility also that anyone can be a good reader or not. Because this is something which is happening at your own soul and causal level. This is something which is so universally guided, where the universe chooses you and you are the special one and you become the chosen one to be able to bring a difference and to be able to bring a transformation in somebody's life. This is something which is straight coming from divinity. So, who are we as teachers and humans to decide whether you can be a good tarot reader or not? There are certain things which one has to keep in mind, and that is how pure and how dedicated and how honest and sincere you are into this profession. How rightly you're guiding people and bringing a clarity in their lives. How you are helping them. You see, if you get a clarity and a guidance at the right time in your life, I think that's all. What else does one need? The profession is so pure, and if it is actually taken and done in purity, you have a long innings to go. Tarot reading and this particular profession enables you to grow spiritually, to evolve into a beautiful human being. And as you counsel people with the cards, somewhere unknowingly, you too also get counseled. And over a period of time, you realize that you are being a very different person. Over a period of time, you feel there have been so many changes in you that you at times can't recognize yourself, and it is such a blessing. As a practitioner, this becomes a source of income for you, and you build up your individual identity and stability, self-sufficiency in life. Through tarot, you can guide people, bring a difference in their lives, bring a transformation in this life. This profession bestows upon you this huge responsibility, for guiding people, for making them take a better lives for themselves. And how blessed it is to do all of this. This is such a blessing, I keep saying again and again. And believe me, I have been practicing tarot for over 20 years now. And each day is a blessing for me. And each day is so very fulfilling. At times, there are tears rolling down my eyes when I get to understand, oh my God, I have saved somebody's life. I have saved somebody from a loss or a downfall. And I have made such a difference in somebody's life. It becomes overwhelming at times. Yes, it's really important to understand that once you have done the course or once you have mastered this particular subject, how is it that you're going to apply? What is the marketing tactics? What are the nuances of it? And what are the presentations involved in it? What is the kind of application that you're going to execute? Because that's something which is going to either make you or break you. And for this, you need a very thorough and intense tarot trainings with a lot and lot of practice sessions. As it goes, practice maketh perfect. So if you wish to choose me as your teacher and guide, then do touch base with me at Om Karma. All the numbers and the links are given here in this post. You can speak to me personally to take more clarity in all of this. And believe me, this is a wonderful profession to take in. It is fulfilling, it is satisfying, and it is so blissful. I mean, when you feel so blessed, I think we all have a right to do this if it is our calling. Thanks a lot, and loads of love and light.